DP, are you making me do this? I'm only going to tell you this once, so listen up. I do not like censoring comments. And in fact, on my YouTube channel, I think I've deleted maybe 3 comments since in the last year. If you want to repost your comment, I will gladly accept it without that language. But listen, I ain't the one hiding. I'm right here. I'm in the open. What's up? So I'll do this once, one time only. I stand by what I've built my channel on and built my business on. And that's about being open and honest and transparent. You ask, why doesn't Ollie mention about review swaps? Well, I'm doing something. It's called running a business. I'm not running a fucking charity. I'm running a business. So that means there's certain things that I need to have people pay for in order to learn about. Plain and simple. Or if they want to learn how to get reviews and rank their book, they could just go to the blueprintbooklet.com and get this bad boy for free and learn about it all in there for free. But yes, anybody who's making, I'd probably say like 5 to 10 grand or more nonfiction, and you see them on YouTube, they're definitely doing review swaps. Don't buy anybody's bullshit that they're doing this without review swaps and they're making 6 figures or 5 figures a month. This is bullshit. We all know it, okay? Except in fiction. Fiction, to rank your book, to get reviews for your book, you can do it without review swaps because the way publishing is set up and just the way the market is, there are so many more options for fiction publishers to get a brand new book off the ground with tons of reviews by building a following firsthand and all of that. If you want to do it with nonfiction, you have to niche down, and it requires months of work, months of prep work. It's possible. I've done it. If I remember to link up John Vroman's book, The Front Row Factor, you just go to Amazon, The Front Row Factor. We launched that book day one, 82 reviews, $1,500 in income on day one. But guess what he had? He had a big email list that we were able to use and market to ahead of time. So it is possible. But all nonfiction courses are going to teach some sort of review swapping, whether you're signing up for Maverick Publishing or whatever the case is. They teach some sort of review swapping because for nonfiction publishers, that's the fastest way to get your book off the ground. Nobody's fucking hiding anything, man. Come on. Right? It's just running a business, not going to give away all the secrets in one interview. That's just stupid. I'd like to consider myself somewhat of a smart businessman. So, on that note, yes, it's just nobody's hiding, right? That's the thing. I just want this to come across. Nobody's trying to hide from anything. Yes, obviously that video is going to put some money into my pocket. I got a daughter to feed, a son on the way, wife who likes nice things, deserves nice things. I want to replace that hunk of junk with something a lot flashier that, guess what, I'll use on the channel to get more views, to get more subscribers, and more people are going to buy shit. It's a business. Who's hiding? Nobody's hiding, man. And all the respect for you. Like, I've used 4 minutes of my weekly update on you. All the respect to the world for you, right? But I don't think Luca or Stefan or any of those guys come and communicate with you, DP. Bro, I ain't trying to hide anything. I'm telling people how you actually create a business online. And you know my shit. For one of my niches, I don't do review swaps. Don't have to, right? It's a passion I have. I've built it up the long way over 2 years or a year and a half or so, but I don't do review swaps for new releases, right? I launch books with like 4 to 6 reviews, and slowly they start gaining some traction and stuff, but that's all email, that's all organic. I'm into that niche. So come on, man, I'll unmute you. Find me, contact me, let me know, and I'll unmute you from the channel. But, anyways, Chappelle out. What's going on, everybody? Hey, if you're a little confused on that, hopefully you're still with me. But weekly update time here. So let's talk about what's been going on. First off, if you have not watched the interview with one of my students who's been making over $13,000 a month, you need to go check it out. He's dropping some gold, and part 1 was released this morning. Part 2 will be Wednesday or Thursday. But you definitely want to check that out because that interview is being on fire. It's insane. Tons of great nuggets inside of there. So definitely go check that out. And hey, if you're looking at a place to start, I'll plug this right now. I have a free Facebook group for self-publishers. Free. You can jump in. It's one of the links in the description. Just make sure you go check that out. And yeah, you can get into that. But what's been going on with the business? Let me tell you one thing. So let's stay on the Kindle publishing side of things for right now. If you've been following the last few updates, I've been kind of playing around with some of my books. KDP Select, no KDP Select, keep your books on KDP Select. So I put all my books for this one niche back on KDP Select because sales are kind of suffering. And I don't want to say instantly I've noticed an increase, but I've definitely noticed an increase. But also I've been running some ads to it, but more importantly, countdown deals. I started running countdown deals. I think 6 of them are currently on countdown deals right now, anywhere from 99 cents to $1.99. And man, one of my books was at 110 BSR. It went to 88,000 BSR, and then when I checked it this morning, it was down to just under 30,000 BSR. And it's #1 in 2 different categories. And one of my other books that hasn't been doing, it's climbing up or climbing down the BSR rank, whatever way you want to look at it. But very, very happy with those results. So if you're not using countdown deals for whatever reason, once you've done your free promo stuff, countdown deals are a great way to basically what Amazon does is just put your book on sale and promotes it with a little countdown clock. So it gives people a psychological thing and they start buying more and more and more. So it's a great way because you're getting sales, which helps your sales rank versus the free promotion that really doesn't do anything for your books. But yeah, so that's been really, really exciting. What else has been going on? Other than that, just getting a lot of things organized. I've ordered 5 books I've ordered this week to get some new ones published in 2 different niches that I've been jumping into. So excited for those, and from those 5, probably turn that into like what? I'm not going to do the math, but I know from 3 I can turn that into 4 additional books with bundles. So somewhere around 10 additional products should be going out under 2 different pen names in the next little bit. So I'm excited for that because I'm trying out a couple different things to see how those books do. But, just kind of loving the game. And what's really helped is I've joined a mastermind. So a mastermind with some higher level publishers, some that are kind of at my level or below my level, whatever you want to take it. Guys, I love you. And that has really helped kind of inspire me and get me excited about publishing a few new books and trying out some different techniques and stuff like that. So, hey, if you're not part of a mastermind, I'd find a couple people who are like at your level, below your level, above your level, and just connect with them on a weekly basis. Just have a quick call or whatever the case is, but surround yourself with people who are doing what you're doing. That is one of the most powerful things you can do to further grow your business, keep you inspired, and everything else. So, hey, my battery's flashing. So you know what? Why don't we just end this right now? I'll throw this up on the channel. Looking forward to connecting with all of you in that free Facebook group whenever you have a chance to join. Hey, don't forget, the Self-Publishing Blueprint is out. It's free, theblueprintbooklet.com. You can go pick it up. And if you're not inside the course, this is a great thing to kind of get a taste of it and to help you earn that first $1,000. Until next time, everyone, we'll speak to y'all soon. Take care.